Shokai, self-introduction. Unit 2 is Unit 2. Jiko is self. Shokai is introduction. Right? Okay. Watashi, topic. Ni ten ichi, watashi means myself or I lah. Okay. Kihon no jiko shokai bun. Basic self-introduction. Okay. So, watashi no namae wa Shiti desu. My name is Siti. 21歳です. I'm 21 years old. Penang no Batawasu kara kimashita. I came from Batawas, Penang, Malaysia, Chinese and Malaysians. Okay, look at the translation. So this is wa joshi ne. So you cannot read as ha. Okay, this is a joshi. Where joshi you need to read as wa. Okay, shiti desu. Okay, so shiti is a noun. Okay, noun. Watashi no namae wa Shiti desu. So today, in last page, you will learn about joshi, particles. Okay, so the particle noun here. Okay, look at we go forward we go straight to the particle, joshi. Okay, as for wa here, okay, basically joshi, it's used to connect words to words, emphasize meaning, add meaning, or indicate the grammatical role of a word in a sentence. Okay, so basically it has one or two hiragana characters lah. Okay, kalau example of two like kara, K-A-K-R-A-R, kara, two hiragana characters. Same goes to made. Okay, two hiragana characters. The rest is one single. Okay, look at the wa. Okay, this we have to read as wa, not ha. So actually, this is to highlight the topic of the word, topic word. So in other words, it translates as for or speaking of. Okay. But you can't translate as it is as for speaking of, since when we do translate, we have to follow like common English translations lah. Okay. Hi. Okay. Next is no particle just now. Watashi no namae, right? So no, it indicates possessions. Possession like kepunyaan lah. Okay. And it also can act as modifier. And it can represent with the apostrophe S, like Ali's bag. Ali is Ari, bag is kabang. So Ali's apostrophe S, Ali's bag. We can say Ari-san no kabang. Okay, and it can be off or in certain contexts. Okay, we cannot stick to apostrophe S only lah, depend on the context. Okay, depend. Yes, sometimes we translate as off or sometimes in. Okay. Hi. Okay, back to the first line. So, as written here, watashi no namae. Just now, no is possession, right? Okay. So here we cannot say as apostrophe S. We cannot say my name. So according to English grammar, is grammatically wrong lah. Okay. So it's a possession lah. Ataupun in other words, I can say that watashi is N1, namae is N2. So when you want to tell the detail of N1, okay, we want to tell the detail of N1, we in between N1 and N2, we have to put no, particle no. Okay, it's act as modifier lah. Okay, N2 modify N1, modifier, or it's possessions. N2 belong to N1, possess ne. Watashi no namae, my name. So the name is belong to my. That's why we put no. We cannot say watashi namae. Watashi become I Namai name. Now, I name. Is it correct in English? Not correct, right? So we have to change to my name. Okay, so my name, watashi no namai. So wa here is, okay, I cannot say is lah. It doesn't have a specific meaning basically for wa. Okay, it's either sometimes as for, sometimes speaking of, sometimes is depending on the context. Okay, so it's special lah wa ni. But please remember what is, we want to highlight the topic of the sentence. So the topic here is,ちょっと待って。私の名前はシティです。My name is City. You want to highlight the topic of city. Okay, シティです。Okay, to highlight the topic. Okay, my name is City. Okay, 21歳です。I'm 21 years old. Can you see I put I am in the bracket? Okay, basically if 21歳 means 21 years old. But as I said, English is topic prominent. English is subject prominent. So I is being omitted here since it's already spoken here. Watashi no. Watashi is already spoken here. So if you want to write in detail, you can put here watashi. Watashi. Okay. Cannot use no. You have to use watashi wa. Bukan no. Okay. Watashi wa 21歳です。I am 21 years old. Or as for me, 21 years old. Or speaking of me, 21 years old. Okay. Don't confuse particle wa and particle no. Okay. So since it's already spoken above, okay, so you can omit this one. So by saying 21歳です. But in English, we have to say I'm 21 years old. Okay. But Japanese, you can omit the subject. Just say 21歳です. No need to repeat watashi. Same goes to here. ペナンのバタワスから来ました. So I put I here. So basically, 私は here. 私はペナンのバタワスから来ました. Okay, but it's being spoken. So omit watashi. Okay. So became just remain ペナンのバタワスから来ました. Okay. So the second no here. As for this second no, this is how can I say? It's not not the same. Cannot translate as here. This one. Not this no. Okay. As for the country name, state name, or city's name, we cannot translate no as indicates possessions or modifier. So because here we have to say Penang no Batawasu. Okay, so here we put, can you see comma? So here no is, in other words, is same as comma lah. Comma. Penang, comma, Butterworth. Okay, so look at the translation. Butterworth, comma, Penang. Okay, remember, for when you want to mention a sentence containing a country name, state name, or city in Japanese, we have to say the largest first. So the largest is country name, followed with the state name and city, and the name is village name or road name. Okay, in Japanese, we cannot say we cannot follow as English. Kalau English, we say the smallest to the largest, right? So Butterworth, smallest, smaller than Penang. Okay, so Butterworth, comma, Penang. But in Japanese, you have to say the biggest to the smallest. So biggest is Penang. It's a state name. Then followed with the city name, Butterworth. Okay, so and in the no, the comma you put no terus. So Penang lah. Penang no Batawasu. Penang, comma, Butterworth. In English, Butterworth, comma, Penang. dia contrast with the English, with the Japanese and English. Okay, as for the cities, state name, cities name, and what we call country name. Remember, we have to set the largest to the smallest. Okay. So Penang, no is comma. Batawasu, Karak is a Joshi. Karak means from. Okay, daripada from. Kimashita is a came. And kimashita, look at here, it's a verb. Kimashita is a verb. So verb, as of now, you will learn, we only have, as for level 1, level 2, you will only learn 2 situations of verb, which are in present tense and past tense. So present tense and past tense. So under present tense, it has positive, negative. Under past tense, it has positive and negative. Okay. So I'll stop here. So further, in verb category like present, past, I will explain when the topic, when we reach, when the time is come lah. Okay. So kimashita. So kimashita is came. So bila came is past tense. Came, right? Kalau present tense come. So kimashita, came. Verb in past tense, positive. So came from, karak from, came. Okay. Came from, but the words comma pinai. Malaysia, jin desu. Malaysian. So again, watashi wa being omitted here. Okay. So I'm Malaysian. Malaysia, jin desu. So can you see the shiti? I put shiti is an noun. Niju isai also noun. Malaysia, jin also noun. Watashi pun noun. Namai also noun. So for statement, in the case of noun category. So after noun, there's, when you want to, as I mentioned before, when we want to complete the sentence in polite way, complete the statement in polite way, you have to put des, and after that full stop, right? So before des, as of now, you will learn noun. For example, shiti des, full stop, complete sentence, complete statement lah. Noun des. Niju isai des. Noun des. Okay. Malaysia jin des. Noun des. It's special with N1 dengan ni. Watashi no namai wa. Namai. We cannot say watashi des. In this context lah. Okay. I'm talking about a noun before des. Okay. A noun before des. Okay. So for des, you must make sure before des, you must put noun lah. When you want to end the sentence. Okay, now finish the sentence with polite way. For verb, no need des. Before this, I explained, when there is a verb in a sentence, verb must be placed at the end of the sentence. For example, here kimashita verb, right? In verb in past tense positive, full stop. You cannot say kimashita des. Cannot. Des only applicable for noun, understatement situations. Understatement ayat penyata ni. Alright. Next we move to dialogue. Okay, comment. As for questions, okay. Okay, here question is dialogue lah. Okay. Hajime mashite, nice to meet you. Watashi no namai wa shiti desu. My name is Siti. Anata no namai wa nan desu ka? Anata no your name. So again, watashi is N1. Okay, sama macam above. And namai N2. Okay, same. Anata N1. Namai N2. Okay. So modify N2. Namai modify anata. Okay. Namai modify watashi. So in between you put no. Anata no namai. Your name. Wa nan desu ka? What? What? Okay. So basically nan is what? Nan maksudnya what? Desu ka? Okay, look at the question. Above, I explained to you about statement. When there's statement, there must be a question, right? So, okay, so as for questions under verb category, when you want to end the sentence containing a verb in a question, in a question type, dalam bentuk questions, we have to end with ka. Ka is a particle for question. Joshi, Joshi for question. Look at down here. Look at here. Ka is a particle to indicate as the question marker, penanda question, penanda soalan. Look at here. Verb straight away ka for questions. Okay, regardless of tenses lah. Okay, sama. Present tense, past tense, positive, negative, we have to end with ka. In the case of verb under questions. Second, look at the noun. Okay, for noun, for the statement, we end with des. Noun, des, full stop. However, for question, we add ka at the back. Noun, des ka. Example. Yeah. Des ka. Gakusei noun. Gakusei des ka. Student ke? Question. It's question part. Okay. And the third one's under question category, when there is 5W1H, so you can use des ka as well lah at the back. Example, ni nan. Nan is what? What is under category 5W1H? So you have des ka at the back to make it a question. So then the question sound like, what is your name? What is your name? Anata no namae wa your name. Nan, what? Because nan is 5W1H and it's categorized under question marker. So remember, after 5W1H, you put des ka. Des ka. Okay? Hai,次. Shiti-san, hajimemashite. Watashi no namae wa Mako desu. Okay, Mako is noun. Mako is noun. Then you put des lah. Okay. Shiti-san wa gakusei desu ka? Are Miss Siti a student? Okay. Gakusei. Shiti-san and one gakusei is and two. Okay, so and two at the end is under noun category lah. Okay, so desu ka. Okay, desu ka. To end the question in polite way. And noun desu ka. Okay. Are Miss Siti a student? Okay, Siti is Miss Siti. Shiti-san, Miss Siti, gakusei is student. So proper translation, are Miss Siti a student? Question. Okay. Hi, yes. Malaysia, Kurantan Daigaku no gakusei. Okay, look at here. No particle. Okay, no is, I can say here, off lah. Off. Okay, off. Okay, no here, the ni. Okay, no, off. Okay. Possessions. Off. Where is it? Yes. So I'm a student of University Malaysia Kelantan. Okay, gakusei is student. No of Malaysia University Malaysia Kelantan. I, again, it's being omitted I. Here, it should be, kalau you want to spell, watashi wa. Hai, watashi wa. Malaysia Kelantan Daigaku no gakusei. It's omitted because it's being spoken before. Just omit lah. Okay. Mako-san wa. Okay, this one she already verbally explained in the previous chapter. But I will explain again. Mako-san wa. So here, this is can you see the question, the translation? Are Miss Mako a student? So by right, student is gakusei. But there is no gakusei word here, right, after Mako-san. Why? Because it's already spoken above me. Already spoken. So you can omit. So but by just saying Mako-san wa, if you omit the gakusei desu ka, so dia punya long translation is Mako-san wa gakusei desu ka, but gakusei desu ka is being omitted here. So when you omit here, so it's only remain Mako-san wa. So here you have to raise intonation lah. Rise intonation. Mako-san wa, are Miss Mako a student? Okay. Watashi mo. Mo means mo also joshi. Mo means to or also. Okay, mo. Get down here. Okay. Mo. Mo. Okay. To or also. Okay. Watashi mo. When particle, if you notice that when the particle I pronounce like end with K sound, end with K sound. Like, although it's spelled M-O more, but we pronounce as mo, M-O-K. K with side, K sound, but you cannot say M-O-K. You cannot write M-O-K here. But when you spell, you can spell mo, write M-O sahaja. Okay, so watashi mo. Seem like oh. Oh. This one. Yeah. Although it's O, but when you pronounce, kita pronounce as OK. O, K sound. Same goes this one. Mo, K sound. But when you spell right, you kena write M-O sahaja. Same goes to this one. O only. O ne, but pronounce K sound. Okay. Watashi mo, I'm also. Marisha Kurantan Daigaku no Gakusei desu. Okay, I'm also a student of, with the particle no of UMK. Watashi tachi is we. Watashi tachi means we. Onaji, same. Daigaku, university. We, same university. In proper translation, we put, we are in the same university, isn't it? Desne. This is a dialect lah. You will learn in detail about desne when you go to for level 2 lah. Desne. Okay, kan. In Malay, close to kan lah. We are in the same university, kan. Okay. Shiki-san wa, particle wa, chushi wa, nansai or oikutsu desu ka? Okay, means how old. Nansai or oikutsu. Nansai ataupun oikutsu means how old. How old Siti-san wa, Miss Siti, nansai, how old. Oikutsu, how old. So desu ka question, because nansai oikutsu is 5W1H. Okay, so it's the same meaning, nansai oikutsu, but the difference is nansai is casual, oikutsu is polite. So you choose either one. You cannot use both. Choose either one. Nansai, you speak to your with your friend lah, ataupun somebody which is younger than you. Oikutsu is you use for polite situation lah. Example, you talk to people older than you or stranger. So you choose either one. So example, Shiti-san wa nansai desu ka? Or Shiti-san wa oikutsu desu ka? So either one Okay, beza casual and polite only. Okay. Next, watashi wa. Watashi wa, I'm 21歳です. 21 years old. Okay. 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 Mako-san wa again. Mako-san wa, here is, you have to write the intonations because this is a question here. So the original word is Mako-san wa nansai desu ka? But nansai is omitted here because it's already spoken here. Okay, so you have to write intonation. Mako-san wa, how old is Miss Mako? Watashi wa 22 歳です. I'm 22 years old. Okay. 21歳 and 22歳. Ju, you have to read longer because it's a long vowel. Okay, it's a long. You already learned in under chapter 1.2. Okay, week 2 lah, under week 2. Okay. Hai, tsugi. Mako-san no shushin. Here we translate as Mako-san, Miss Mako, shushin hometown. So Miss Mako's hometown. Baru kita translate here as apostrophe S. You have to translate depending on the context. Makosan no shushin means Mako's hometown wa doko or dochira desu ka? Desu ka? Doko dochira fabel one H ne? Okay, this is the questions. So doko dochira means where, same meaning, different. Beza is doko casual, dochira polite. So you got to choose either one. You cannot use both. Choose either one only, ne? Okay. Watashi no shushin, my hometown. The shushin is belong to watashi. So my hometown. Wa Nihon no Tokyo desu. Tokyo, Japan. In English, you have to say the smallest to the largest, right? Japanese, largest to smallest. Nihon no Tokyo desu. The no here is comma lah. Okay. Nihon no Tokyo desu. Okay. Shiti-san no shushin wa Miss City's hometown, doko o dochira desu ka? Watashi no shushin, my hometown wa Penang no Patawasu desu. My hometown is Patawas, Penang. In Japanese, Penang no Patawasu. So desu ka? I see. Hai. Segi, goi. Okay. As for goi, I didn't write the translation because this goi is based on this kaiwa. So you got to find on your own lah. I just translate verbally. Okay. Watashi, watashi, I or me. Depend on the context you translate lah. Okay, watashi. So watashi is I or me. Watashi no, my or mine. Okay. Bila ada no saja is watashi no change to my, like my name, watashi no namae. My hometown, watashi no shushin. Okay. Hai. Namae name, that's already explained in the previous chapter. Okay, you look back. This is a copula. That is used to end the sentence in polite way. That's okay. Sai, okay. Sai and Jin, detail we explain here now, down here. Okay. Kuru kimasu. Okay. Kimasu verb, both is verb, but kimasu verb in must form, kuru verb in dictionary form. Meaning come. Okay, meaning same, come. Okay. Look at here, I put here. Do you still remember under week 1 you learn I add this column, this table. So doshi, verb, okay. Verb must form kimasu. Okay. Verb in dictionary form, how to change kimasu to dictionary form? You just change verb of kimasu into kuru. This is the same situation as shimasu. This is special. Shimasu and kimasu is a special verb. Shimasu, dictionary form suru. Kimasu, dictionary form kuru. Okay, please refer back to week 1 slide. Okay. Come lah, maksudnya come, datang. Malaysia, Malaysia. So this is a loan word. So you have to spell in katakana. Okay. Jin, okay. Down, later on. Hajimemashite, nice to meet you. Anata, you. You, anata. Kalau anata no, yo. Anata no namae, your name. Anata no shushin, your hometown. Kalau anata, you. Right? Nan, what? Apa? San, okay, this one I already explained in previous chapter as well. Okay, please look back. Gakusei, student. Daigaku, university. Watashi tachi, we. Kami. Onaji, same. Nansai, how old. Oikutsu, how old. Beza, polite. This is nansai, casual. Oikutsu, polite. Shushin, hometown. Doko, dochira, where. Different, doko, casual, dochira, polite. So desu ka? I see. Right? Look at here for Jin and Sang. Asai, comment. For Sai, okay, look at Sai. Sai is used for age. Jing used for nationality. Okay, so before Sai, there's a word lah, and before Jing also must have word. Okay, so before Sai, we must put number. So number plus Sai, it means age. Example, you put any number here lah. 21 Sai, it means 21 years old. Kalau you put 35 Sai, so become 35 years old. All right. Okay, next is country. For Jing, it means nationality. Country name plus Jing, nationality. Warga negara. Okay. Example, Malaysia plus Jing become Malaysian. Warga negara Malaysia. Nihon, country name means Japan, plus Jing become Japanese. Warga negara Jepun. Okay. Country name plus Jing means nationality. Okay. Okay. Segi wa no tu. Okay. So you can until number 1 until 6 lah. Okay. Here. You can practice lah using this phrase. Okay. Example 1. Anata wa. Okay. Here is noun. You can put any noun. Okay. You can put gakusei. You can put nationality. Okay. According to this topic lah. Okay. So that's why I put noun sahaja. Then I give example. Anata wa example. We choose noun. We choose daigakusei. Daigakusei means gakusei is student. Dai is from daigaku. Dai from daigaku. Daigaku University. So we merge daigaku plus gakusei. So become daigakusei. So means university student. Gakusei student. Daigakusei university student. Anata wa daigakusei desu ka? Are you a university student? Okay. You can put any noun here. Not necessarily to be daigakusei. So example of noun under this chapter is what? Cannot. Depend on noun lah. You cannot use any noun. Okay, you cannot use any noun. You have to see the meaning. Okay, you can use gakusei. You can use Malaysia Jing. Tak boleh guna Malaysia. Yeah, you can use Malaysia Jing. Malaysia Jing or Nihon Jing. Okay, put here. Anata wa daigakusei desu ka? Okay, so when you have to use the same noun as spoken under questions. So if it's yes, positive, you just say hi, yes. Watashi wa, you repeat back the same noun, okay, from question. Hi, watashi wa daigakusei desu. You cannot use hi, watashi wa Malaysia Jin desu because in the questions, the noun used here is daigakusei. So you have to use daigakusei lah. Cannot use Malaysia Jin. Or you cannot use Nihon Jin. Cannot, Okay. This is in positive lah. Yes. Hi. In negative, you want to say no. Iye, no. Watashi wa daigakusei ja arimasen. So this is long vowel. A. You have to read longer. Ja arimasen. No. Not. So maksudnya, no, I am not a university student. Kalau hai watashi wa daigakusei desu. Yes, I am a university student. Alright? Okay. Hai, number 2. Okay. Watashi wa, okay, I use this different now for nationality. Okay, we change different. Watashi wa Malaysia Jin desu. I am Malaysian. Okay, so B, watashi mo Malaysia Jin desu. I'm also a Malaysian. So when to use mo means also or to. Okay, you use mo when B sentence sharing same characteristic with A. Dia sama, same characteristic. A is Malaysia gene, B also Malaysia gene. So then now here, because we are sharing the same characteristic as A. Okay, kalau watashi wa, the first sentence, watashi wa Malaysia gene desu. So B, because same character, you say wa replaced with mo. Watashi mo Malaysia gene desu. I am also a Malaysian. Okay. Hi. Samba number 3. Okay, to ask about age. Okay, you can use this question. Anata wa nansai? Or ataupun oikutsu desu ka? How old are you? Asking about age. So to answer watashi wa, you put noun. So here I put number lah under number category. Watashi wa, okay, you put 21 or 22 or 23, and sai desu. So I am number. I am 21 years old. I am 30 years old. Alright. Hi, Yongba. Now number 4, asking about hometown, shushin. Anata no shushin, your hometown, doko or dochira desu ka? Where is your hometown? Okay, to answer this, you just answer watashi no shushin. Kalau you see, yang ni guna no. Okay, so here joshi pun you have to use wa. Look at here, question guna wa, joshi also wa. This is question, this is answer. Okay, same. This is questions. So this is answer. So yang ni different. Number 2 ni different. Watashi wa dengan watashi mo. Okay. So anata no shushin wa doko dochira desu ka? Watashi no shushin wa. Okay, you put noun under place category. So here in Japanese, you have to mention the largest. Maybe you want to say country name. Okay, you put country name. Okay, followed with the state. Ataupun if let's say you don't want to mention country, you put with the state name here, okay, largest, and no, okay, and followed with the smallest. Maybe city's name. Watashi no shushin wa Kurantan no Kotabaru desu. Watashi no shushin wa Kuala Lumpur no KL no Gome. Watashi no shushin wa, KL is too wide. I cannot use now. We give the easiest thing to understand. Watashi no shushin wa Shah Alam. Gome. Watashi no shushin wa Selangor no Shah Alam desu. Selangor is state name, right? Selangor. No. Shah Alam desu. Okay, watashi no shushin wa Kurantan. From, okay, this one came. Okay, I came from, okay, again same, we put now place largest and no for comma, and now place smallest, kara kimashita. And last one, watashi wa, this is nationality, you put country name, noun under country name, country name under noun, and put jin, and after that full stop desu. Okay. Right, segi wa additional note, suika no note. Suika is additional. No to note. Okay, look at here, particle no. N1. This is N2 ataupun N2 modify N1 modifier. So ikan no note. Ninsho daimichi personal pronoun. Okay, kata ganti nama diri lah, personal pronoun. So watashi, I or B. Okay. Anata, you. Kare, he, dia for lelaki, he. Kanojo, she, dia for perempuan. And these are singular. Singular, ne? Okay, both are below. Watashi tachi, we. Anata tachi, you all. We, kami. Anata tachi, kamu semua. You all. Karera or kare tachi. They for lelaki. Okay. Karera, karetachi, mereka untuk lelaki. Okay. Kanojora, kanojotachi, they for woman. Mereka for perempuan. Okay. And down here are all plural. Okay. Plural. Okay. Next is gimonshi. Question word. Nani or nan, same meaning, means what? Okay, what? Okay. When to use nani, when to use nan, you have to read a lot lah, because it's I cannot list it out for you guys because it depend on the word after that. So depend on the word after nani or nan. So it's changed lah accordingly. Okay, either use nani or nan, but both means what? Okay, dare, donata means who, siapa. Okay, beza. Okay, you see, dare is casual, donata is polite. Okay, hai, doko or dochira means where. Doko is casual, dochira is polite. Okay, it's when, bila. It's is bila, when. Okay, doshite, naze. Both means why. Doshite, casual, naze, polite. Ikura, one more, or ikura means how many. Both means how many. Different, ikura is casual, or ikura is polite. Okay, last one. Doyate or donoyoni. How? Ataupun more on the which it's how, cara. How, bagaimana, how. Do yatte ikimasu ka? How to go. Do yatte. It's not how are you? No, not how. This is more on the method. How, more on the method lah. Macam mana buat. Do yatte. Okay. Okay, so do yatte, casual, donoyoni, polite. Okay. Hai. Shijigo, demonstrative. Shijigo is kata tunjuk. Okay, tunjuk. Okay, demonstrative. Kore, sore, are. Okay, kore means this. Tunjuk ni, ini, this. Sore, that. Are, over there. Okay. Kono, sono, ano. Same with kore, sore, are. Okay. Kono, same with kore, means this. Sono, same with sore, means that. Ano, same with are, means over there. Okay. And the difference you will learn in detail in the next chapter. Okay. Right. Koko, soko, asoko, same with kochira, sochira, achira. Difference, koko, soko, asoko, casual, kochira, sochira, ashira, polite. Koko is here, di sini. Soko is there, di sana. Asoko is di sana, over there. Okay. Kochira, here, sochira, there, achira, over there. Okay. Sometimes kochira, sochira, achira can be, kochira can be this way. Sochira, that way. Chira, that way. So detail in the next chapter lah. Okay, you just remember the meaning. Okay. First remember the meaning. Okay, last but not least, this is a Joshi. Okay, please read understand all the Joshi, because Joshi played very important role in making a proper meaning. So it's indicate the grammatical role. Okay, look at here. Okay, it's grammatical role lah. All right. So you see. Okay. So this chapter, so far you already learned wa. You also learn no. You also learn ka. Oh, I think in chapter 1, but not in detail lah. Okay. But it's okay, we skip first. Okay, more, you already learn more. Okay. And you also learn kara. Okay. Hi. And the remaining ga indicates subject word. Okay, subject of the word. Example. Ataupun ga ni to emphasize the subject. Emphasize the subject. It's different. Wa and ga. If you say watashi wa sensei desu, I am a teacher. If you say watashi ga sensei desu, I'm is the teacher. So you emphasize on I, because after I you put ga. Okay, this is, you see, indicates the subject word. To emphasize the subject. It's different with wa. Okay. And next is o. O indicates direct object of transitive verb lah. What is transitive verb? Transitive verb, you can Google lah. Transitive verb is a verb which need an object. Okay, so example I put here, object o verb. But remember, I tell you early, not all verb can be used with o. Depend. So category of verb we will learn later on. Okay. Hi. To. This one to. T-O-K. Spelling tulis T-O, but pronounce T-O-K lah. To means and or with. Ali and Abu. Ali sang to Abu. Fish and cake. Fish to cake. Coffee and spaghetti. Coffee to spaghetti. Okay. Okay, next, ya. Ya means and so on. You use ya when you don't want to highlight all items in that space, in certain space. Okay, example, you want to say there in Kota Baru. Okay, there is Ion Mall, KFC, KB Mall, and so on in Kota Baru. So beside Ion Mall, beside KFC, beside KB Mall, there is another object, another noun lah. But because you don't want to list out all, you don't want to mention all, you just put ya. Okay, so how to use? You can just say Ion Mall ya, KFC ya, KB Mall ya. Okay, ya lah. Okay, detail after this lah. Okay, next chapter. Okay. At indicates destination or direction. This one same with ni. Okay, this is the same, more or less the same lah. Okay. Same in the case of this one. Ni, in the case of situations. Ni. The second ni, bukan same for time, dates not. This is not the same. I see same for ni indicates the destination or direction. Untuk at, for ni also indicates destination or direction. So it's more or less the same lah when you are talking about destination. Okay, but for when we are talking about time, day, dates, months or year, so it means at, on or in. Same, you still use ni. So what I can say here, same particle, when you use for different contexts, it may create a different meaning. Okay, see, it has more than one meaning lah in some Joshi. Okay, that indicates place where the action is done. Ataupun indicates means. Okay, example lah, verbally. I eat hamburger at McDonald's. So McDonald is place. At, you can see McDonald. Okay, so what is the activity happen? Eat hamburger. So the action happen is eat hamburger. McDonald. Hamburger. Oh, tabemas. Okay, detail after this lah. And one more, it can be means. Okay, example ataupun method, cara. I eat by hand. Ataupun I eat using hand. I eat with hand. So hand is hand. So that with hand ataupun by hand. Okay. Tabemas, eat. Alright. So the second that means method. Okay. Can be by, it can be with. Okay. And kara just now. Okay. Made is indicates ending point. Okay. Example, from ik until 5. So from ik kara until 5. 5 made. Okay, ada kara, made, from, until. And last one is ne. Ne is to seek for confirmations or togetherness lah. Right? So it can be translated as right, isn't it, or yeah. Depend on the context lah. Alright? はい、以上です。ありがとうございます。